So you might be wondering what's up with the background, the 3 to 0. Well, if you haven't guessed it already, it's my birthday today. So, well, hello there, guys. Today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing video of, guess what? You're not gonna guess. The one and only Boxy Charm. So every 3 months, I believe it is, you get the BOXYLUXE instead of the Boxy base box. Obviously that costs more. Anyway, I'll leave all that info below because I know you just want to get to the unboxing. No one cares about the rest, so let's just get to it. Like this. Doesn't say anything. No theme, no anything. And then some paper, and heck yeah, I got what I wanted. I got what I wanted. Who got what she wanted? Me. So I see right off the bat the Tarte Pro palette, but we'll get to that because I want to see what this says first. Boxy Charm The Oasis. That's this month's theme, and I have variation number 12. So the first baby that I'm gonna pick up here is this baby, and this says that it retails for $49, and then it says being okay. I'm gonna need you. No, thank you, sorry. Oh, I can't do this, excuse me. I'm sorry, sweetie, I'm sorry. I love you. I'm gonna borrow this for just a little bit. Okay, where were we? All right, so we were opening this, and then this has like a reflection in the back, very chromy, like gold. It's like a mirror like, so it's pretty. And then right here it's like a matte satin texture, so the packaging itself, it's very nice. So I'm gonna open this up because I'm really excited. The packaging is beautiful, and this is, wow, this is really stunning. This palette is so beautiful, and it has the biggest mirror. Wow, I am super impressed. You have all your shimmer shades right here. They're all mattes, and these are the shimmers. You can do so many looks with this palette. This is absolutely breathtaking. I cannot wait to use this palette. Probably my next video will be using this palette, so wait for that one. After last month, I don't know, you know, you needed to come up with something like this, Boxy Charm. Well, good job. I'm back in the game. I'm not leaving you. So next we have, this is a Ography Professional Cosmetics Lip Pencil, a 2-pack. And then I don't see a shade or anything here. Let me see. Guys, I opened it first try. Aren't you proud of me? Dark brown, and the other one is like a nude. These retail for $28, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Oh wow, this is some good stuff. That's really good. Can't wait to use it. And it will go so well with this palette. Whew. All right, guys, I'm onto something. You just watch till my next video. Just watch. All right, I need to take my time. I need to pace myself. Water break. We all know this isn't water. The Propolis Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30, oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte finish, glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. Where's the fine print here? This retails for $35, and this is a complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte, and it's a dewy finish, multitasking, it glides on, tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and a BB cream. It's the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, and it's like a balm, literally, and then you apply it under your eyes or whatever. Let me see what it says before I make this up. Apply directly to the eye area under makeup. Reapply throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. So this retails for $28. Next thing that we got was, oh wow, this is a charcoal brush set from Billion Dollar Brushes. Okay, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. These retail for $55 and they are vegan, cruelty-free, and they are synthetic brushes. They are charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. I am actually super excited about this month's box. I am like stoked, honestly. Good job. Bless you. The Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask from Pure Heals. Cute. Comes with a little spoon. Oh my god, you guys, this smells like good. And it's like opening a jar of honey. Look at it. Wow, that is so freaking cool. It looks like honey. Oh, but it feels almost like water. Kind of like the Neutrogena Ultra Gel Hydrating Boost gel thing. That's what it feels like. Like it instantly disappears in your face. That felt nice. That felt really cool. This retails for $55 and it's an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. Then we got, ladies and gents, Kylie Skin by Kylie Cosmetics Foaming Face Wash. I'm not a fan of the foaming face washes because they tend to dry my face, but I would double up in moisturizer just for this baby. This is so cool. Smells very gentle, so that's good. This retails for $24. Okay, and then we got Swell, and this is a water bottle. This was my choice. In BOXYLUXE as well, you have a choice and you pick it beforehand. So this is what I picked. So I was actually super excited when I was guaranteed that I was gonna get this. I don't remember, but oh, this is so neat, guys, especially because it's summer. Keeps your drink cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. It retails for $35. This is like a $5 off, and it has the Boxy Charm code. It's Boxy5. For those of you who don't have Boxy Charm and you still want to enjoy a discount, here you go. The whole box, according to the retail value, is $309. And I paid $52.99. This month they outdid themselves because let me tell you something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Technically, we got 12 full-size products. Oh, 13 full-size products. That's a lot of product. That's good. I am happy. I am really happy with this month BOXYLUXE. I think that they redeemed themselves. They gained my love and my trust. Well done, BoxyCharm. Good job. It's about time you were. I was getting worried there. But thanks for coming back. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give me some love down there. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you if you're coming back and this is not the first video that you see. Thanks. You the bomb. See you next time, guys. Bye.